Welcome back. Today we're going to dive into the world of United Kingdom 1 penny coins, specifically the top 3 most valuable pennies in the market today. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this is one video you won't want to miss. These rare and unique coins have been making waves in the coin community, and they can be worth a lot more than you might think. So let's get started. First up, today we're diving into the world of rare coins to uncover the hidden value of the 1939 United Kingdom 1 penny coin. Could this small piece of history be worth a fortune? Stay tuned to find out. The year 1939 was a significant time in world history. Britain was on the brink of World War II, and the country was rapidly changing. This was also the year that the Royal Mint produced the 1939 1 penny coin featuring King George VI. While it may seem like just another penny, its value today might surprise you. The obverse side of the coin features a left-facing portrait of King George VI, who became king in 1936. The inscription around his image reads, George VI, DD by ROMN, Rex F, DD, IMP, which translates to George VI by the grace of God, King of all Britain, Defender of the Faith, Emperor of India. On the reverse, we see Britannia, a symbol of British strength and naval power, holding a trident and shield. The denomination 1 pen is inscribed, along with the year 1939 at the bottom. Now let's talk about how rare this coin is. While millions of pennies were minted in 1939, finding one in uncirculated or high-grade condition is much harder. Most of these coins were used daily and show significant weight. These are the ones collectors are willing to pay a premium for. Now that we understand why the 1939 penny is so valuable, let's talk numbers. The value of a 1939 1 penny coin can vary depending on its condition and where it's being sold. Fine or very fine condition. If the coin is in decent condition with some minor wear but still visible details, it could be worth around $100,000. Coins in this grade are becoming harder to find, which makes them more desirable to collectors. Uncirculated or mint condition. If you happen to have an uncirculated 1939 penny that has been carefully preserved and shows no signs of wear, you're looking at a value of $300,000 or even more, depending on market trends. These coins are the holy grail for many collectors, and their value has skyrocketed in recent years. In fact, in recent years, some 1939 1 penny coins in top-graded condition have fetched over $4,500,000 at auctions. If you have one, it might be worth getting it professionally graded, a collector carefully examining a penny under a magnifying glass. Coins in better condition fetch higher prices. Minting errors can make coins even more valuable. Get your coins certified by a professional grading service like PCGS or NG. So, do you have a 1939 United Kingdom 1 penny coin in your collection? And there you have it, folks. The 1939 UK 1 penny coin is just a piece of British history. It could be worth a significant amount of money, especially if you have one in pristine condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, it's always fascinating to see how historical items like this can retain value over time. Next up, today we're diving deep into the world of rare coins, specifically the 1913 United Kingdom 1 penny. If you have one in uncirculated or very fine condition, you might be sitting on a valuable collector's item. How much is it worth in today's market? Stick around to find out. The 1913 1 penny is a part of British coinage history, minted during the reign of King George V. This was a time when the British Empire was at its peak, and coins like this were widely used in daily transactions. Obverse design. The front of the coin features a left-facing portrait of King George V, designed by Sir Bertram McKinnell. The inscription reads, George VDI, DI, Omnion, Rex Fid, Def, IMP, which translates to George VDI, DIV, Omnion, Rex Fid, Defender of the Faith, Emperor of India. Reverse design. The reverse side showcases Britannia seated with a trident and shield, a symbol of Britain's naval strength. The words 1 penny and the year 1913 are inscribed below. Metal composition made of bronze, 95% copper, 4% tin, 1% zinc. This penny has a rich reddish-brown color when in pristine condition. The value of a 1,913 penny depends on condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. While millions were minted, few have survived in uncirculated or very fine condition due to heavy circulation. Factors that increase value include: as of recent sales, an uncirculated 1,913 penny can fetch upwards of $5,100,000 in the market, and even higher for coins in pristine condition. Coins in very fine condition generally sell for between $5,500,000. Of course, some dealers may offer a bit more for coins with unique features or additional provenance. These prices can also fluctuate based on factors like rarity, economic demand, and how many of these coins are available in the market. If you're thinking of adding a 1,913 penny to your collection or perhaps selling one, here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, always check the condition thoroughly. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe to inspect the details closely. Look for signs of wear or any imperfections that could affect the coin's grade. Next, consider seeking a reputable dealer or auction house when buying or selling these coins. You want to ensure that you're getting a fair price and that you're dealing with a trusted professional. The 1,913 United Kingdom 1 penny coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a valuable piece of history. Whether you're looking to add it to your collection or simply learn more about the fascinating world of numismatics, it's a coin that will continue to capture the interest of collectors for years to come. Next up, today, we're diving into the world of rare coins to uncover the hidden value of the 1,963 United Kingdom 1 penny coin. Would this small piece of history be worth a fortune? Stay tuned to find out. Could a simple 1,963 United Kingdom 1 penny coin be worth a small fortune today? Many collectors are on the hunt for this vintage coin, especially in uncirculated and fine condition. But just how much is it worth in today's market? Stay tuned as we uncover its fascinating history, rare variations, and current value in dollars. The 1,963 1 penny coin is part of the pre-decimal currency system of the United Kingdom. Before the UK switched to decimalization in 1971, pennies like this were part of everyday transactions. This coin features the famous portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Mary Gillick. On the reverse, you'll see Britannia, a symbol of Britain's strength and heritage, a design that had been used on pennies for decades. The 1,963 UK penny was made from bronze and weighs 9.45 grams. It has a diameter of 30.81 m and does not have a mint mark, as all UK pennies from this period were struck at the Royal Mint. One interesting fact about this coin is that it was among the last of the large pennies before decimalization, making it a nostalgic piece for many collectors. The 1,963 penny is considered extremely rare. Certain factors can make it more valuable. For example, any misprints, double strikes, or planchette errors can significantly increase its worth. Additionally, pennies in uncirculated or proof condition fetch much higher prices than worn-out circulated coins. So, how much is the 1,963 UK penny worth today? Let's break it down by condition. If your 1,963 penny is in fine condition, meaning it has some wear but the design is still clear, its value is typically around $5,200,000. Very fine condition coins with minimal wear and more defined details can be valued between $5,500,000. Uncirculated condition. If your coin has never been used in circulation and retains its original luster, it can fetch anywhere from $5,600,000 depending on the demand. If you own a 1,963 penny and want to sell it, online platforms like eBay, heritage auctions, and numismatic forums are great places to start. Professional coin dealers and coin shows are also excellent options for selling or getting an appraisal. Always check recent sales to get the most accurate valuation. So, is the 1,963 UK penny worth keeping? If you have an uncirculated or rare variant, it could be a great investment. However, if your coin is heavily circulated, it may be best kept as a historical keepsake rather than a major financial asset. Either way, it's a fascinating piece of British history. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting tips and rare coin valuations. Have a valuable coin collection story to share? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.